Ever wondered how many people actually use GrabPay? I mean, we see the Grab app everywhere, right? From ordering food to booking rides, it's become a staple in many parts of the world. But have you ever stopped to think about the sheer number of users tapping that GrabPay button? It's a question that's probably crossed your mind, and today, we're diving deep to find the answer. Before we get into the numbers, let's quickly recap what GrabPay actually is. For those unfamiliar, GrabPay is the digital wallet offered by Grab, a super app that operates primarily in Southeast Asia. Think of it like a digital version of your physical wallet, where you can store money, make payments, and even transfer funds. It's integrated directly into the Grab app, making it incredibly convenient for users to pay for Grab services, but also for a growing range of merchants both online and offline. The rise of digital payments has been nothing short of phenomenal. We've seen a global shift towards cashless transactions, and GrabPay has been at the forefront of this revolution in Southeast Asia. It's become more than just a payment method, it's a key component of the Grab ecosystem, connecting millions of users to a vast network of services. This interconnectedness is what makes understanding the user base so important. It gives us a glimpse into the scale of Grab's influence and the reach of digital payment adoption in the region. So, the million-dollar question, or perhaps the multi-million user question, how many GrabPay users are there? Pinpointing an exact number can be tricky. Companies like Grab don't always publicly release precise figures. However, we can piece together information from various sources like press releases, financial reports, and market analysis to get a pretty good idea. And based on this research, we're talking about tens of millions of active GrabPay users. Yes, you heard that right, tens of millions. That number isn't just a random figure. It represents a significant portion of the population in Southeast Asia, where Grab operates. It speaks volumes about the trust and convenience that users associate with the platform. Think about all those transactions happening every minute, every hour, every single day. It's a massive volume of digital activity, showcasing the power of mobile payments and the growing digital economy. But what's even more interesting than the current number is the growth trajectory. The digital payments landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging all the time. GrabPay has been consistently expanding its features and partnerships, making it even more appealing to users. From in-store payments to online shopping, from bill payments to peer-to-peer transfers, the versatility of GrabPay is driving its adoption. And it's not just about the features. Grab has also been strategic in its approach to user acquisition, offering incentives, promotions, and loyalty programs to encourage more people to embrace GrabPay. This focus on user experience and engagement has been a key factor in their success. They've built a platform that's not just functional, but also user-friendly and rewarding. So, while the exact number of GrabPay users might fluctuate, one thing is clear: it's a massive and growing community. It's a testament to the power of digital innovation and the changing financial landscape. It's a clear indication that mobile payments are not just a trend, but a fundamental shift in how we interact with money. And as technology continues to advance, we can only expect that number to climb even higher. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.